To me, it's really important to be, say, at a grotty pub doing stand-up about barnacles to people who were just expecting to hear about Tinder stories.
Barnacles? Does everyone know what a barnacle is? Yeah, barnacle fans in the room.
My name is Sofia Castelló y Tickell. I am a British-Mexican marine ecologist and conservationist, and on the side I also do lots of different types of science communication. Comedy, drawing, films, all sorts of stuff. When I was 6 or 7, I declared that I was going to be a marine biologist. But I think a lot of children do that. And I also wanted to be a Spice Girl. That one hasn't panned out, but marine biology, so far so good. So I started doing comedy during my PhD. We can talk about eels. I love eels. Their mating has actually never been witnessed. So their love lives are mega mysterious, kind of like mine. I was feeling very stuck writing my thesis. In my college, there was an improvised comedy workshop.
Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for being here.
So I went along to it. It was absolutely terrifying, but somehow I just kept going back. I felt like it was helping me to be able to let go of that sort of tension or like perfectionism a little bit. And I did lots of shows, all sorts of stuff that had nothing to do with science. But then it was my sort of turn to direct a show. And I asked whether they would be open to doing a show about conservation.
And we're going to be putting on a show for you tonight, which is an improvised comedy show about an endangered species.
We had a series of workshops where I walked them through different concepts in conservation science. And together we came up with an improvised comedy show about an animal which was generated by the audience on the night. And then we would tell that story in a different way every night. We ended up taking that up to Edinburgh Fringe, which is a big theatre festival in Edinburgh in Scotland. It was a wonderful experience and I feel like I've learned a lot from it.
Thank you all so much.
I think it's very important to be talking to people who are not necessarily already environmentalists about what life in the ocean is like. And then the next time that they come across some sort of environmental discussion, then they might orient themselves to it slightly differently.